In this video, I will show you how to create a automatically updating table of contents in Microsoft Word. Take a look at this Word document. This is a small and simple report with 5 pages. The document has a title, main headings, subheadings, subheadings under subheadings, and there are many headings and subheadings in this report. Now let's see how to automatically create a list of all headings and subheadings in this document. In other words, we will create a table of contents. If you go to the References tab in the Word ribbon, you will see an option called Table of Contents. But before using this option, there are some prerequisites. Let me show you what I mean. I will click on Automatic Table 1. See, Word is displaying a warning message. Start by applying a heading style from the Styles gallery to the selected text. This means, to use the Table of Contents feature, we must first apply heading styles to the document. OK. You can see that a blank table of contents is created with the message, no table of contents entries found. Let me remove this table. Click on Table of Contents. Remove Table of Contents. Now let's apply heading styles to this document. Go to the Home tab. The first line is the title of this report. To apply title style to this line, click on the line. Open the Styles gallery of Word and select the style called Title. You can see that the title style is applied. Next is a main heading. Click on the heading. Go to Styles. Select Heading 1. Note the font size and font color changed. This means the style Heading 1 is applied. Apply Heading 1 to the next main heading as well. Now for the subheading, apply Heading 2. For the subheadings under the subheading, apply Heading 3. And continue applying Heading 2 for subheadings and Heading 1 for main headings. Now that we have applied the heading styles, let's create the table of contents. Place the cursor at the beginning of the document. Go to the Insert tab. Page break. See, a blank page is inserted at the beginning. Click on the blank page. Go to the References tab. Table of Contents. Automatic Table 1. You can now see a list of all headings and subheadings. And this is the table of contents of this report. Now about the advantages of using table of contents. First, page numbers of all headings and subheadings are automatically added. Second, the table of contents can be used for navigation. For example, to go to the heading Evolution of Marvel Movies, place the cursor over the heading, holding the Control key, click on the heading. You will directly jump to that section. Let's try another heading, Influence of Pop Culture and Media Behavior. Holding the Control key, click on the heading. You are taken directly to that section. Now about an advantage of using these heading styles. When you place the cursor over a heading, you will see a small triangle on the left side of the heading. Click on the triangle to collapse the content under that heading. Click on the triangle again to expand the heading. Another big advantage of using table of contents is it can be updated automatically. For example, I will modify this heading, Future of the DC Cinematic Universe. The table of contents is still showing the old heading. To update table of contents, in the References tab, Update Table, Update Entire Table. OK. See, the table of contents is updated. Finally, you can also format the table of contents. We'll make the text bold and increase the font size.